Good morning children. Today we are going to see 6th English Unit 1. Children, in this video we are going to revise the topic Sea Turtles. Now let's see about the author Shekhar Dattatreya. Shekhar Dattatreya writes popular articles on wildlife, conservation and filmmaking. He has been interested in nature from childhood. He is an award-winning wildlife and conservation filmmaker. Now let's see section 1. Children, most of us have seen a tortoise in a zoo or a reptile park. But it's peculiar to see a marine living sea turtles. Children, since these reptiles spend almost their entire life in the sea. Reptiles means animal skin covered with hard parts. For example, lizard, crocodile, tortoise, turtle, etc. There are 7 species of marine or sea turtles in the world. Species means group of animals with common features. Of them, 5 are found in India's coastal water. Coastal means land by the edge of a sea. They are olive ridley, hawksbill, green sea turtle, loggerhead and the leatherback. Children, compared to most tortoise, sea turtles are huge. Huge means big. Even the smallest species, the olive ridley, weighs up to 35 kg when fully grown. The largest of them all, the leatherback, grows to a length of 2.2 meter and each could weigh as much as 700 kg. Children, sea turtles live their life entirely in the ocean. But they still have a connections with land. And the olive ridley, however, are still commonly seen nesting on sandy beaches. Now, let's see the glossary for section 1. First one, marine, found in the sea. Second one, species, group of animals with common features. Third one, coastal, land by the edge of a sea. Now let's see the true or false. First one, turtles are different from tortoise. The answer is true. Second one, turtles are sea animals. The answer is true. Third one, there are 7 kinds of sea turtles in the world. The answer is true. Fourth one, sea turtles are very small. The answer is false. Fifth one, turtles come ashore to lay eggs. The answer is true. Sixth one, sea turtles come to rest on land. The answer is false. Seventh one, olive ridleys are the only sea turtles seen on Indian shores. The answer is false. Now let's see the important questions in section 1. First one, how many species of sea turtles are there in the world? There are 7 species of marine or sea turtles in the world. Second one, name the sea turtles found in India. Olive ridley, hawksbill, green sea turtle, loggerhead and leatherback. Now let's see section 2. Children, between the months of January and March, female olive ridleys comes ashore at night to lay their eggs. But it has some problem because sea turtle has front flippers. Front flippers used to swim gracefully and effortlessly in the sea, but are not very useful for moving on land. And then it chooses a spot well away from the high tide line. The nest cavity 45 cm deep. Cavity means a hollow space, and it lays about 100 eggs. Each egg is in the shape and size of a table tennis ball. Once all the eggs are laid, the turtle fills in the cavity. Then it camouflages the nest by tossing sand on it using its flippers. Camouflages means hide something. The eggs are left to incubate under the warmth of the sun. Incubate means hatch eggs using warmth. In many places around the world, local people follow the tracks of the turtle to its nest. They collect the eggs for eating. Jackals, domestic dogs, and pigs too dig up and eat the eggs. The hatchlings slash open the leathery eggshell with the help of a tiny egg tooth. This is like a razor blade at the tip of a hatchling's snout. Slash means cut. Snout means pointed nose of an animal. When most of the eggs have hatched, the hatchlings push themselves upwards through the sand and emerge on the surface of the beach. Emerge means come out. And from here they make a hurried dash to the sea. Now let's see the glossary for section 2. Flippers, flat limbs used for swimming. Predators, animals that kill other animals for food. Emerge, come out. Camouflage, hide. Haul, pull with force. Slash, cut. Laboriously, with great effect. Snout, pointed nose of an animal. Cavity, a hollow space. Incubate, hatch eggs using warmth. Now let's see the true or false in section 2. Female olive ridleys come ashore at night to lay their eggs. The answer is true. The eggs of an olive ridley are in the shape and size of a cricket ball. The answer is false. Ridleys come to lay their eggs in the month of January. The answer is true. The turtles use their flippers and make a hollow for their nest. The answer is true. The hatchlings use a tiny egg tooth to come out of the eggs. The answer is true. Now let's see the important questions in section 2. First one, when do olive ridleys come ashore for nesting? Between the months of January and March, female olive ridleys come ashore at night to lay their eggs. Second one, what are the threats to the eggs of sea turtles? The local people collect the eggs for eating. Jackals, domestic dogs, and pigs too dig up and eat the eggs. Now let's see the section 3. Children, many of those tiny hatchlings which weighs less than 20 grams each even will not reach the sea because sea turtles are eaten by crabs, eaten by birds, and eaten by many predators. Children, scientists estimate that only 1 in every 1,000 hatchlings becomes an adult. That's why sea turtles lay so many eggs. After many years of swimming in the open ocean, the female hatchlings that have become adults return to the same beach where they were born. And they come there to lay their own eggs. Children, how they manage to find the place after so many years in the sea is one of the many mysteries of these fascinating reptiles. Mysteries means difficult to understand. Fascinating means attracting greatly. Sea turtles are one among the many wonderful creatures. So children, we share this planet with. Children, they have survived natural dangers for millions of years. But sadly, human activities during the last few decades have put them in grave danger. People hunt them for their meat or collect their eggs. Children, sometimes they are accidentally trapped in the nest of motorboats. Children, problems like dumping of plastic into the ocean and construction activities on nesting beaches also hurt their survival. Survival means continue to live. Now, let's see the glossary for section 3. Survive, continue to live. Mysteries, facts that are difficult to understand. Fascinating, attracting greatly. Decade, a period of 10 years. Now let's see the question answers. What are the threats to the survival of sea turtles? Hunted by people, pollution, dumping of plastics, building construction. Children, now let's see fill in the blanks. First one, the dash is a biological relative of tortoise. The answer is sea turtle. Second one, a turtle's flippers help it to. The answer is swim. Third one, in India's coastal water, we can see a species of. The answer is sea turtles. Fourth one, sea turtles come to the shore to. The answer is lay eggs. Fifth one, it is a problem for sea turtles to come ashore because. The answer is animals and people hunt them. Sixth one, a sea turtle camouflage its nest by tossing sand on it too. The answer is hide its eggs from predators. Children, I will give you some important antonyms from this lesson. First one, surprising, anticipated. Second one, connection, disconnection. Third one, survival, death. Fourth one, huge, small. Fifth one, smallest, biggest. Sixth one, entire, part. Seventh one, rare, common. Eighth one, tiny, big. Ninth one, open, close. 10th one, high, low. 11th one, fully, partly. 12th one, fills, empties. 13th one, predator, prey. 14th one, above, below. 15th one, inside, outside.